iPhone 16 Pro Max offers a number of features that may be of particular interest to professional users, including photographers, videographers, and design professionals. Let's look at the main ones. Improved camera, multifunctional camera. iPhone 16 Pro Max is equipped with an advanced camera system with 5x optical zoom and improved low light performance. This allows you to take high-quality photos and videos in a variety of conditions. New camera control button. The physical camera control button on the right side of the device allows you to quickly switch between shooting modes and control the zoom. This makes the shooting process more intuitive and convenient, especially for professionals who use a smartphone as their main tool. 4K video recording at 120 FPS, the ability to record high-resolution video at a high frame rate opens up new horizons for videographers, allowing you to create spectacular slow-motion videos. Powerful processor. A18 Pro chip. The new processor provides high performance and efficiency, allowing you to run resource-intensive photo and video editing applications without delays. The improved neural network also helps process images and videos faster. High refresh rate display. 120Hz promotion. The iPhone 16 Pro Max display supports an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, which provides smooth scrolling and improves interaction with graphics applications. This is especially useful for designers and artists working with graphics. Titanium frames. The use of titanium in the design makes the device more durable and resistant to damage, which is important for professionals working in the field. USB-C support. USB-C port. The move to USB-C makes it easier to connect to various devices and accessories, which can be useful for professionals who often work with external devices or transfer data. Conclusion: iPhone 16 Pro Max offers a lot of features that can be useful for professional users in various fields. Improved cameras, a powerful processor, and a high-quality display make it a great tool for content creation, and new camera control features improve usability.